Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Android tablets in this video? I will show you the top 3 best Android tablets to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Aldo Cube X. Specifications: panel type, IPS. Cell capacity, 7500 mAh. Tablet storage capacity, 128 GB. Processor core, Octa core. Operating system, Android 11.0. Display size, 10.5 inches. Memory capacity, 8 GB. Display resolution, 1920 by 1080. Processor manufacturer, MediaTek. Network, 4G LTE. CPU, MediaTek P90. The item number 2 is Teclast T40 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Teclast. Second webcam pixels, 13MP. Panel type, IPS. Cell capacity, 7000 mAh. Display size, 10.4. Memory capacity, 8 GB. Processor model, UNISOC. Display resolution, 1920 by 1200. Front camera, 8MP. 4G network support. On the top of our list at number 1, we Outsell RT2 rugged tablet. Specifications: brand name, Outsell. Second webcam pixels, 13MP. Panel type, IPS. Cell capacity, 20,000. Extend port, Type-C. Tablet storage capacity, 128 GB. Operating system, Android 12. Display size, 10.1 inches. Memory capacity, 8 GB. Display resolution, 1920 by 1200. Processor manufacturer, MediaTek. Network, 4G LTE. Fast charge, 33 watts.